I'm Red. Welcome to the scrapyard. I'm doing a Forgotten Friday thing today. You know, stall bills, et cetera, et cetera. So I drug this out. I need to get on this and get it finished because, I said it as a part of a group build. This is, I drug it out. I worked on it a little bit today. This is the Rambler 69 competition coupe, Model T coupe. Um, Scratch built frame. The front axles out of the Tony and Nancy kit. A lot of Revell parts pack pieces from the Moon Eyes kit in it. Resin printed Arden engine blown. That's how come it got set to the side, man. I broke the snout off my blower, and it just disgusted me. And as you see, I've put a new blower snout on it with the tensioner and everything. I still have to do the plumbing for the fuel pump in the moon tank. Um, I'm not really satisfied with that moon tank. It's got a seam in it that shows real bad, and I'm not quite done putting my belt on. But but yeah, this it's almost finished, man. I got something to represent my scatter shield and my torque tube. Um, Still got to get the seat in it, leaving the body where you can take it off and run it as a dragster. I mean, I had to do a little research, see what class I'd run in, but probably A, because it's got a supercharge. Um, that's the seat I'm gonna put in it. That come out of the Mickey Thompson Challenger 2. Yeah, Challenger 2, I think. It's really good part. Challenger 1. Yeah, it's a really good parts kit, man. It's got well, full of everything in it, really. But anyway, that's that. I mean, I just figured I'd give you an update on it. I should be done with it soon. Like I said, I pulled it out. It's really close to being being ready. So yeah, there's that, and been just piddling around a little bit, working on the let's see, these engines are the same. Doing some paintings for some parts on the little excess funny cars, but both these engines are the same. I figured I'd paint them a little differently, and try to add a little variety. Um, let's see what else I got here. Got a surprise stash ad the other day. I was sitting here and I got a knock on the door, knock, 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 and it's my one of my neighbors off another floor. Man, he broke this up. Said somebody, um, did his social worker give it to him, and he wasn't interested in it, and so he bought it to me, and I said, great, man, I was glad to have it. It was like a pretty good kit. I mean, it's I always like the art series kits, man. I got a couple of them. This one and the um, Opel GT. But yeah, this is like a pretty good kit, man. I'm gonna build this. I'm probably gonna build it somewhere in between the box art and stock. Man, it's not gonna be stock, but it's not gonna be quite the box art either. I'm thinking about using like the custom front end treatment here because I kind of like it. It's kind of sharp. I don't much like that. I don't much like the rear one. I mean, the rear treatment's just a little bit too much. But I'll figure something out. Anyway, just going in the stash for now. But that's about it. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Especially leave me a comment if you're going to drop me a dislike, man. Because if you if you give me a thumbs down and don't tell me why you did it, man, it doesn't tell me what I need to improve on now, does it? But if you're going to take the time to, you leave a thumbs down, at least leave a comment saying why. I mean, you know, it's, I still got these shop cards. Anybody wants one, just drop me an email. The email's on there. The email's in my description. Redscalescrapyard@gmail.com. Um, and that's about it for today. Weekend just starting is Friday evening, and hopefully everybody have a good weekend. I think this is going to turn out pretty good. Like I said, I was just disgusted when the snout broke off that blower, man. Something else I wanted to show you. Little tip. Um, Hang on. The belt on that. Show you how to make a belt any width you want. You start out with a piece of solder. Okay. All right. You take your solder. You want solder just a little bit narrower than what final size belt you want. You take your solder and you cut it. You just cut it because you want a piece big enough you work with. Right, straighten it out. Y'all do know how to straighten a piece of wire, right? You take and lay it on something flat, and you rub something else flat at the top of it. And there it's just flat straight. All right, straighten it out. And we'll use one that got a blade in it. um, yeah. And you just start. And as you rub it, it gets flatter and wider and thinner. Then when you're done, you paint it rubber black and use it for a belt. I mean, the same way you would with anything else. Uh, the stuff's real easy to work with and holds its shape. That needs to be thinner though. Just rub it. You don't have to put any particular pressure on it, just a little bit. And like I said, you paint it, and then you use it for a belt. That's what I got on there now. Can you see it or not? I still have to pull it around the bottom of the pulley and glue it in place. I haven't yet got the bottom, glued the bottom points yet. I got to go back and touch the black up on it a little bit, but yeah. Well, anyway, I thought I'd share that tip. This time, I swear I'm going for sure. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, share it to somebody. I mean, send us a smoke signal. Drop me a line. Uh, like I said, shop cards, um, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Um, y'all have a good weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.